Hey guys, just a quick video here to give you an example of a monologue from Esperanza Rising. So this week, last week we learned a lot about what a monologue is, and we looked at an example monologue of Mama's and Miguel's. And then this week your job is to plan and then write your very own monologue from a different character's perspective. Yesterday, which was Thursday, the assignment was to think about and to plan and write the beginning of your monologue. On Wednesday, you reviewed some events from the story and chose what you're going to write about. Thursday was to write the beginning, and today what we're going to do is take a look at an example and make some changes on our beginnings. So if you wrote one yesterday, but it might have been from somebody else's point of view, not the character from the book, or maybe you were missing some details, this video is going to help you to make some changes on what you have. Or if you hadn't written it yet, this will clarify what you want to write for your beginning. So let's jump in. On my Google Slides here, I have my title page, then I have my beginning, middle, and end. You guys have these over the course of different days, so far you've had just your beginning, and next week you'll have your middle and your end, but I put all of mine together here so you guys can see what it's going to look like as a final product. Alrighty, so I'm just going to read through my whole monologue. Little background information. It is about Miguel losing his job, and I chose to write mine from the point of view of Miguel. Here we go. Starting from the beginning. I couldn't believe what happened at work today. I thought everything was going great working on the motors until my boss pulled me aside and said, "Miguel, I'm sorry, but the new folk from Oklahoma will work for half the pay. You can take the ditch digging job instead if you'd like, but that's the best I can offer." I thought to myself, you have got to be kidding me. That makes no sense and is so selfish of him. Why should I have to change jobs now? How will I pay for food next week if I don't take this digging job? Esperanza is going to be so upset when she finds out about this. On my walk home, I thought a lot about this and what my best options are. I decided I'll take the digging job just for now, but join the strikers this weekend in fighting for our workers' rights. Because this is ridiculous. As soon as I get home, Esperanza asked why my hands were so dirty, so I told her what happened at work. She was furious, but I appreciate that, because I think it's just because she cares about me and is looking out for me. I'm furious too, but for now, I'm just going to make it work as best as I can. Esperanza and I wound up talking for a long time that night. We went for a walk and kind of got in a fight, but I understand her point. She wants me to stick up for myself at work and join the strikers. And I will soon, when the time is right. But I just don't feel ready yet. Things have been very hard for all of us since we moved to California. But I have faith that it will get better. I know that that's what Papa would have wanted for us too. Alrighty, so that is the end of the monologue that I wrote from Miguel's point of view about him losing his job at work. So notice that I did not write Miguel thought this, Miguel said that, but I wrote as if I was Miguel, from the first person point of view. So I used words like I and me and things like that. So what you want to do now is go back to yesterday's, which was Thursday, EL assignment, where you have the CFS for beginning, some questions to help you plan it out, and then the slide where you'll actually be writing your beginning. Make sure to either resubmit or submit that on Google Classroom today. On Monday, you'll be writing the middle, so let's make sure we get some good beginnings off today. And as always, you can call me or Miss Cruz if you have any questions. Happy writing, rock on, and I know it's going to look great.